This is the 5th video presentation for the Case Plant course. As you view this video, make notes of important information. Pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. Water Behavior, Lesson 2.1, Understanding Soil Properties. You have completed a number of activities exploring soil properties, such as texture, structure, and organism activity. Water's effect on soil properties has been alluded to, but now we will spend time focusing on how soil water contributes to plant growth. The ability and rate that water filters through the soil are examined in the following presentation. Two main concepts, permeability and water holding capacity, are introduced. Soil and soil water properties are closely related. Both permeability and water holding capacity are influenced by soil porosity. They both also determine the quality of a soil in the way water is filtered or retained in the soil. Permeability is defined as the capacity of soil or rock for transmitting a fluid. Degree of permeability depends upon 1. The size and shape of the pores and particle arrangement or structure, 2. The size of the particles or texture, and 3. How much organic matter is contained within the whole soil. Porosity refers to the extent of voids or openings in the soil that exist between soil particles and soil beds or clods. These pores hold water and air for absorption by plant roots. About half of a whole soil volume in good physical condition is pore space. The illustration provides a guide for the effects of soil characteristics on permeability rates. Knowing the differences in soil textures and structure will be necessary to predict permeability rates for a soil. The relationship of porosity to permeability is also illustrated. The more porous a soil, the faster the rate of permeability. Water holding capacity depends mainly on texture and is improved by organic matter. Understanding the relationship between water holding capacity and organic matter will also provide clues for determining the quality of a soil. The analogy of the sponge representing water holding capacity will be used as part of Activity 2.1.4, the sponge effect. Water is important for plant growth and maintenance. Plants obtain water through their roots that are anchored in the soil. Plants will die without enough water. However, not enough water is only half of the problem for plant growth. Sometimes too much water causes growth problems. Too much water is also responsible for other negative soil aspects, such as erosion. As a review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Through Activity 2.1.4, the sponge effect, you will measure the water holding capacity of various substances and compare data. This will help you understand that soil structure and texture influence water holding capacity, drainage, and erosion. Your instructor will share specific instructions and materials for the lab activity.